Well, good morning, everyone, team. Welcome back to the sessions. So, welcome to day 2 session on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So, before starting the session, team, an announcement to every one of you. So, as I mentioned, the timings will be every day morning 7 to 8. As such, it's a new batch. We've been waited for 5 minutes, team. I request everyone from tomorrow, please join by sharp 7 a.m. team, because session will be starting by sharp 7 a.m. There will be no delay from tomorrow team, because after 8:15, I have another session followed by, so that it should not get extended team. So 7 to 8 will be the sharp every day. Please join from tomorrow by 7 a.m. IST team. And people yet to join, but even we are waiting. We have waited for already 5 more minutes, team. So I'm starting the session. Meanwhile, parallelly they can join. And people who enrolled till last night, even today morning also, we have received some enrollments. Please wait for today. Maximum by today afternoon or EOD, everyone access will be shared to you, team. Maximum people who enrolled, we have shared the access to your emails. Please check in the spam folder also, team, because sometimes the access that what we are going to share with you might be sitting in the spam folder in your email inbox, team. So whatever the email that you provided to the team, we have shared the portal access to that team. Please find your access. That is important, because everyday sessions will upload over there. Okay. And I can see few people who not enrolled, but we have shared the link for today. As such, you've been already contacted to us, team. So from tomorrow, it will be very strictly, no meeting link will be given whoever not enrolled, team. So let me start the session for today. See, in the yesterday's demo session, what we have discussed, team, as part of yesterday's session, we have seen introduction to the ERP, and then I have explained you Fusion applications evaluation overview, like what is Fusion application and its history or the background when Oracle introduced these applications in the market. For what purpose this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud we have in the market, team. So we have discussed all that. Prior to Oracle Fusion, what are the existing ERP applications we have? That all we have seen here, team. And then I explained you types of companies involved. Who is vendor? Who is client or the customer? Who is implementation company? Once we learn this technology, in what sort of companies that we will be working on in real time, that all I have explained you in types of companies, team. And then I explained you Oracle Fusion environment releases, team. Like what is the environment releases we have in the Fusion system? What is the latest version of the Fusion application? And then I have explained you the quarterly upgradation policy. Yearly, how many times the Fusion application will upgrade? What is the release versions that we have in the system? Then every time, what is the versioning sequence that release to release? What pattern that Oracle follow? That all I have explained you in the yesterday's session, team, right? And also, team, after that, I have explained you what are the modules that we have in this Oracle HCM Cloud applications, team, right? What comes under functional, what comes under technical, right? Then what we are going to cover as part of this training program, we have discussed, team. And also, I explained you kind of roles that market looking for nowadays, team. What I told you, techno-functional is what market looking for. And in the yesterday's demo session, team, I also explained you for whom this course is for, who can learn this course. If you fall in any of these brackets, you will be eligible to learn the course I told you, team. And then finally, I have introduced it to you the career prospects in this technology, how it is going to be and all. And then the course features I have explained you, team. What is the course details and the placement assistance, what you will be getting as part of this program we have discussed it, team. And also the course fee, what is the early bird offer that we have yesterday, that all we have discussed in the demo session, team. And also I have introduced it to you the placement testimonials of the students team, like whoever got placed recently. These all things I have shown you. This is what in a brief we have discussed in the yesterday's demo. Now today, what we are going to see, team. See, in today's session, team, what we left over yesterday, these two concepts we left over, team. Due to the time constraint, we left over Oracle Knowledge Repository and Certification Process, team. First half an hour, I will touch base on these aspects, team. And then I will introduce to you Fusion applications, like how the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications look like. When any client or the customer buy the product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered to them. Cloud-based deployment model means what? These all things we will see that practically today, team. So let's start for today, team. First topic for the day, I will introduce to you Oracle Knowledge Repository, team. Oracle Knowledge Repository, team. What is this Oracle Knowledge Repository? See, whenever you're learning a technology, team, you should able to access standard Oracle delivered documents or materials with respective to this technology for your learning purpose, team. See, as I told you, we are going to provide you the materials for every module, the custom materials that what we prepared for easy to understand, team. With screenshots and navigations, I told you, we will provide. But on top of the material that what we provide, team, if you want to access Oracle standard documents, the implementation guides, admin guides, user guides with respective to this Oracle HCM Cloud, team, where we can get them. It's a open source, team. But many people will think that no, we have to register with Oracle, then only we can get the documents, or we have to associate with some institutes, then only they will provide us the documents. No, team. This is an open learning platform for anyone. They can able to get access to the Oracle repository. So, team, if you want to get access to the Oracle documents, team, just go to any browser, Google, Internet Explorer, Firefox, anything. Just type as docs.oracle.com. What is the URL, team? Just go to the browser and type as docs.oracle.com. So this is the URL, team. You have to type in. See, when I type in, I came to a particular page, a web page I landed upon. Now you don't think that Kumar associated with Oracle Corporation, that is why he got access to this. No. See, if I come here, did I logged in anywhere into the system? No. Sign into my account, sign into cloud. But did I did that? No. It's a open source. How many of you seeing the session today from laptop or mobile? Try it out. You will also get access, team. Docs. Okay. Go to your browser, type it docs.oracle.com right now. Check out. You will able to access this team. Okay. So this is the Oracle's knowledge repository. The web link itself said docs, documents.oracle.com, team. So once you come to here, team, all the Oracle products were listed out here. Cloud infrastructure, Oracle Java, systems, on-premise applications, NetSuite. This is our team. Cloud applications, that too Fusion application suite. You have to come here, team. So here, team, if you click on see all, under cloud applications, under Oracle Fusion Cloud application suite, what all different products that offering. Now, the important point everyone should note in. We are learning about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. This is Human Capital Management Cloud application team, HR application. Like HCM team, under Oracle Fusion, we have multiple products that Oracle offering. If you come to this slide, you will understand team. Oracle Fusion application product family. Oracle Fusion application product family. See team, under Oracle Fusion applications, we have different products offering by Oracle team for different business areas. Ours is Human Capital Management, HCM. We have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Oracle Fusion CRM Cloud, Oracle Fusion SCM Cloud, Supply Chain Management, Oracle Fusion Procurement Cloud, Oracle Fusion PPM Cloud. So different products for different business areas Oracle offering under Fusion. We are not bothered about the other products team. So Oracle Fusion HCM. Probably whenever you reached out to our website also team, you might be seeing out different courses in my website, right? If I come here, Oracle Fusion HCM, Oracle Fusion Financials, Oracle Fusion SCM, Supply Chain, Oracle Fusion Technical plus OIC or PPM. So what are this team? Under Fusion applications team, we have different products that Oracle offering. Why I came here? Because when you come to this site team, Oracle Fusion Cloud application suite in the document.oracle.com, all products under Fusion Cloud, whatever Oracle offering team, we can able to check out. See, under ERP, we have team, Oracle Fusion Financials, Accounting Hub, Procurement, then Oracle Fusion SCM, all the modules in that team. And this is our product, HCM, Human Capital Management. So you have to come to the right place team because it's a huge repository of all Oracle products team. We are concerned about our technology or our course, that is Oracle Fusion HCM team. So once you come here, scroll down, go to Human Capital Management and you pick up team, let's say Human Resources if you want. You can come here team. On the left hand side, you have something called all books. To come to all books here team. So here you can able to access Oracle books and you can filter team. If you come to view what books you want to access here, whether you want implementation guides, admin guides, user guides, you have filter team. I want implementation filter, means how to implement each module, that documents I want team. Then when I filter all implementation guides of every module, see, yesterday I told you, right, we have different modules in the system, global HR, absence, payroll, talent, for every module team, implementing absence management, implementing benefits, compensation, global HR, payroll. There in payroll, again, we have country-wise documents team, right? Then time and labor, every module, okay, we have given team, Oracle given the documents team. Go to that, click on that PDF symbol team. Then you will land upon the Global HR Implementation Guide, a detailed material of Oracle team for the core HR module. Every concept, theoretical explanation, okay, with several examples, everything you can able to find out. If it's a downloadable source, you can download also team. But usually team, Oracle documents are very lengthy and very hefty. But as a reference, always you can refer them team. But usually I suggest whatever the materials that I am going to provide you, that will be sufficient and easy to understand and learn team. Okay. But as a consultant team, you should know where you can access the Oracle standard materials team. So this is the place you have to come and you can download that materials team. So all modules, okay, For every module, you have the implementation guides. Then if you filter with admin guides, user guides, the respective documents you can able to access team. So this is the place where we can come and we can access Oracle delivered documents for our product team. Then here, if you come team, videos, small videos team, 1 minute, 2 minute videos, Oracle also embed what are the different functionalities in that modules they have team. If you want it, just you can explore team for time being, but usually video is not required because in our classes, we will cover all these things more detailedly team. But in the documents.oracle.com, we have that also. Now, the most important thing for everyone team, this is a lesson or a concept you have to follow throughout your life, not now. Once you start learning this, once you get the job, you join the company, for next 10-15 years, you'll be in this technology I told you. For throughout the span, this you have to habituate team. What is that? I told you yesterday, Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy team. Every 3 months, Oracle will provide the upgrade to their application, I told you, yearly 4 times. And each time, whenever upgrade happening, I told you, Oracle will brings in some new functionalities in each module, new enhancements, bug fixes and all team. So team, you should also keep yourself updated with all these things. If you are working in this technology, you should also grow along with the application. If application is evolving over the period, you should also evolve along with the application team. You should also upskill along with the application team. So it's not a tough thing. Every 3 months, once you come to the screen that I'm showing to you, spend 10-15 minutes time, you can able to get up to date team. So every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading their application, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in each module, you have to know team. How Oracle every time when they are upgrading the application, Oracle will give the release notes team. Oracle will give the release notes document team. Means what new functionalities they are bringing in the module. Everything Oracle will document and it will share team. So in the docs.oracle.com only team, above all books, we have cloud readiness / what's new. If you come here team, cloud readiness and what's new. So here team, you will land upon all the products in Fusion. You can see ours is human capital management team that will end upon here. So once you come to what's new, you can select the release also team. Latest update, prior updates like that team. Latest updates if you keep, see, you can select team here. See, now we are in 25A, I told you team. As of today, we are in 25A. Next month, we are going to get 25B upgrade team. Second quarterly upgrade in this year. So Oracle given the documents in benefits module, what's new in 25B. Compensation module, what's new in 25B. Common functionalities, human resource, core HR module. See team, for every module, Oracle given the release notes team. So here you can go. Let's say I'm going to compensation, what's new 25B document team. Click on that. So here compensation module we have, right team. So here you can check out if I expand team in compensation module, what is that feature? Save available in Redwood salary and individual compensation pages. That is a functionality team. So what is that functionality? In which screen in the front end that new functionality coming? See here some save button is coming team. Then another functionality, exclude individual compensation plans options using business rules. So where is that functionality newly coming? Like this team with very clear-cut explanation, screenshots, visualized information to us team. See, so these are the new enhancements or the new features that Oracle bringing in this next quarterly upgrade of 25B in this compensation module team. Like this, what is the functionality? Explanation, printed in the screen, what is the impact, at which level that functionality coming like this team. If any steps needed to enable, that even that steps clearly Oracle will give. This is at most important aspect in your career team. People will take it on a lighter note and many people don't even explain you in the trainings. But as far as my training is concerned, for every student of mine, I will tell, make it as a habit. Make it as a habit. Whenever you are working in the real time, probably next 3 months or 4 months, you might be getting into jobs and you are starting the career. Throughout the life, till the time you will be in Oracle HCM Cloud technology, make it as a habit. Every 3 months, once go to the release notes, docs.oracle.com. Just sit for 15 minutes to 1 hour or something like that, team. Just to revise all the modules, team, so that you will be keep updated yourself with what new functionalities Oracle bringing in each module, team. So this is for compensation, team. If I come back, okay. This is for compensation, team. For benefits module, I want to check out. Or for human resource, core HR module, I want to check out. Or I want to check out for recruiting module, talent module. For everything we have, team. For absence module, time and labor module, for payroll module. See, team. So this is the place, team. You have to come for your release notes in the system, team. So this is about Oracle's knowledge repository. So now I hope everyone understood where in the internet we have to go to access Oracle standard documents for every material, for every module, and the most important part, release notes, every quarterly upgrade. Let's say, Kumar, I want to check out previous releases, Kumar, not 25B. Then you select no here, prior updates in the filter. So see, team, the late now we are in 25A. So 25A related you can see, 24B related you can see, last year's, team. Okay, like that you can filter product wise, module wise accordingly here, team. So this is about, team, Oracle's knowledge repository in the system. Now let me introduce to you certification process, team. Few of my friends, even yesterday, people who walked into the office to meet me or in over the calls, even admin team given me the feedback. Sir, people asking about the certification. Actually, I thought of covering it yesterday only, but I don't have the time bandwidth to cover yesterday. Let us talk about that, team. Oracle certification process. Few of you having a concern in the mind. Kumar, if we learn this course, does it sufficient for recruitment? I mean to say, companies will consider our profile, Kumar, without having a certification, or is certification mandatory to do? Like in SAP, people will blindly say that do SAP certification. That will cost you some 1 lakh or 1,50,000 to you. That's what in SAP ERP, we have a kind of propaganda in the market, business people doing, team. Like you have to do SAP certification, SAP MM, SAP success factors or something like that. But in Oracle Fusion, certification is important or not. If at all you have to do, what is the approach? What is the cost that you have to pay? What is the examination pattern? How you have to book the exam? Let me briefly explain you about them, team. Okay. Oracle certification process. See, team, in Oracle Fusion, the first part every one of us to be very clear is, team. And one more question, team. I think there is a person by name Mr. Rajesh is there. He joined the session today. I don't know. He was asking me, Kumar, I want to do certification for the entire course for Oracle HCM Cloud. Can you please help me out for that? See, team, in Fusion system, the certification concept, team. This is our application or a technology we are learning, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. For entire course, Oracle not conducting the certification exam, team. Okay. For entire Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, we don't have a common exam or a certification exam, team. Oracle conducting the certification exam module wise. If you want to do global HR certification, you have to do. Absence module certification, you have to do. Payroll management certification, talent, compensation, benefits, OTL. Oracle not providing certification for entire HCM Cloud commonly. Module wise, Oracle conducting the certification exam, team. So for example, if you have global HR team, okay, global HR team. So we have an exam. One second, team. Let me make it. Okay. If you want to do global HR certification team, we have an examination team like Oracle Global Human Resource, okay, Cloud Implementation Specialist. We have an examination name like this team. Then if you want to do for absence module team, okay, Oracle Absence Management Cloud, okay, Cloud Implementation Specialist, okay, Implementation Specialist. Like this team, we have the examination name. For every examination name, we have a code also. For core HR, we have team IZO 1046/24. Then for absence module, we have IZO, exactly I can't remember, 1054 or 1056, something is there team. Just take it as of now like this. For every module, Oracle conducting the certification team. It's not for entire product. Okay. So if at all you have to do the certification team, how you have to book the exam? See, basically, Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson team. Okay. View Pearson team. This is a examination partner for Oracle team. Okay. View Pearson. Prior to COVID, we used to write the exam physically team. We used to go to this Pearson offices team in all the major cities across the globe. In Hyderabad, Chennai, Vijayawada, Bangalore, everywhere we have Pearson test centers team. We used to go there. We used to book the exam for which module you want to write. They used to give the slot. We have to sit there in their systems. We used to write physically team. But post COVID, we have two options. Either you can go to View Pearson offices, you can book the exam and write from there, or online. You can schedule your exam online and you can able to write at your convenience by sitting in your home team. And it will be video monitored. There will be people who are observing, monitoring us when we're writing the exam. No malpractices, nothing. Okay. So this is the company team. You have to go to Google, just type as View Pearson team. You will land upon this one. Pearson View. This is the website team. So you have to go here and you can search your exam team. You go to online testing or you can search your exam here and you can pay the fee and you can book your slot team. This is the website. We have to go and book. Or team, even we have Oracle University team. Okay, Oracle University team. If you go with Oracle University, you will land upon education.oracle.com team. This is the page. Even from here also, if you go to certification section team, you can filter your product team, which you want, schedule your exam team. Okay, you can go to schedule your exam. You will land upon mylearn.oracle.com team. This we will let you know while you are, if you really want that, we can help out to you team. Okay. So you have filters team for which module? For HCM. These all are the different exams we have team. See, if I come to the browse section team for HCM, see team here, Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud 2024 Implementation Professional. Then Compensation Cloud, Payroll Cloud, Talent Management, Learning, Recruiting, Absence Management, Time and Labor. See team, these are the certifications we have. So either you can go to pearsonview.com or you can come to education.oracle.com team. That is Oracle University website team. In both the places, you can come and you can book your exam team. So what is the cost, Kumar, for this certification exam and what is the pattern? See team, the examination pattern team will be multiple choice questions team. Okay. Multiple choice questions team. There will be a question and there will be A, B, C, D options team. And each module team, depending upon the module, the number of questions will vary. Global HR, if you take team, it's a big module. We can expect 85 to 90 questions in the exam team. If it is absence module team, you might expect 50 to 60 because it's a small module. Module to module, number of questions will be different and it will be multiple choice questions. But here only twist is there, team. Many of the people doing malpractices in the certification exams outside, proxies and all they are doing, team. On behalf of the student, then the Pearson Test Center people taking the money and they are writing the exams, team, to make the certification examination bit complex and rigid. From last year, 2024 paper onwards, Oracle introduced practical scenario-based questions also in the exam, team. Along with multiple choice questions, you've been given with a scenario and you've been given with a Fusion HCM application and you have to configure it and show it their, team. Practically, you have to demonstrate in the system. You have to configure in the system, team. That Oracle introduced it from last year onwards, team. So multiple choice questions, 2 or 3 scenarios will be given. You have to configure there in the system practically, team. And we have negative marking also in this examination, team. The pass percentage is 70 or 75% you should get. Negative marking will be there. For example, you book the exam. The time will be 1 hour 30 minutes, team. Okay. 1 hour 30 minutes, team. And this will also vary from module to module. Whenever you write the exam, you complete it. Within next 1 hour to your email, registered email, the results will come, whether you have passed or not. If passed, to your email, the certification will be sent by Oracle University, team. So this is Oracle certification examination pattern, team. Cost, each module, Oracle will charge you around 23,000 plus applicable taxes as per Indian norms, GST, whatever is there, team. For each module, team, you have to pay to Oracle 23,000 plus taxes. That is the each module certification cost. When I was doing the usually I will do every year because the validity is for only 18 months. But I know the certification exam from 4,000 rupees, team, way back in 2015, 2016 when we did. 4,000, 3,500 was the cost. Now inflation, now the price is 23,000 for each module, team. Now, Kumar, is it mandatory? The main question is, I will say absolutely no. Absolutely no. In India, companies are not that particular about the certification, team, particularly freshers or even from non-IT or keeping the experiences and you are trying for the jobs, team. Certification is not a mandatory requirement. It's ultimately you, how you performing in the interview is the matter. It doesn't mean that in your resume you added the certification tag and if you are not performing well in the interview, there is no chance of recruiting you, right? Though you do the certification, team, ultimately your performance in the interview is matter for your selection, team. So as far as India, I can tell, team, because in US, most of the companies are fascinated towards certifications, team. The mindset will be like that there. There, probably people joining from US, you might require, depending upon the recruitment terms they are following there. But in India, if you ask me, team, certifications not taken into consideration, team. So forget about this entire part. You learn the technology, drop the resume and get selected, team. Kumar, when certifications will helpful to us? Once you join the company, if at all in any project that you are mapping, that client asking your company, in my project, I want all certified special implementation consultants in the project, team. Then your project manager will insist you, hey, client is asking for certification, please complete any module certification we have to share with them. During that time, you can think about that, team. Because why I'm telling is, you don't waste the money from your pockets, don't spend this and don't pay now. Once you join the organization, if really project requirement is there, your company will pay for you, team. All IT companies will have coupons, team. So they will pay on behalf of you. That's a policy in every IT organization. So unnecessarily don't waste your money, get this headache to you. Okay. Don't get into this, team. As such, I have to explain you what is the pattern or the approach of certification. I'm sharing this with you, team. Now, I hope everyone understood how the certification examination conducted, where we have to go, what is the cost incurring, what is the pass percentage, and pattern of examination, team. Oracle standardly gives every certification 18 months validity, team. Let's suppose you are writing today on March 27th, team. You pass it. You got the certification for core HR module. It will be for 18 months validity. After that, again, you have to do the new certification, team. But if you do also now, companies not that particularly verifies, team, but actual validity for their certification exam, Oracle telling is 18 months period, team. Okay. And every year, Oracle will change the paper, team. Last year was 2024. This year, probably in the month of June, we can expect, team, 2025 paper, team, the latest paper. So this is examination name and this is examination code. For every module, examination codes will be there, team. So certification, now you decide whether you want or not. So my suggestion, it's not at all required. Anyone want to do, they have the requirements. Now they're already working in IT companies. They want certifications to be added, let's say, team. For them, we will be supporting for their clearance. With this training, you will be in a situation to clear the certification exam. Many of the students who doing the certification, they are getting cleared also, team. And from our side also, we have an assistance that off the record, I will explain you, team. Please reach out to the team so that they will explain you. Kind of proxy support kind of activities will be there that we will tell you later on. But usually, team, this is what the certification process and the support that we are going to provide you, team, right? Then team, let us move to introduction to Fusion application, team. I was telling you yesterday, Fusion applications purely on a cloud-based technology, I told you, team. So whenever any company buy the product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered, team? Application will be delivered just in the form of this URL, team. What is our team? Application will be delivered just in the form of URL and user ID. Okay, user ID and password. In order to access the Fusion application, what we require, team? User ID and password, team. Cloud-based deployment model means what, team? Cloud-based deployment model means what, team? A software that is hosted over the internet. For example, team, you take any company that you know, Tata Group you take, team. We all know, right? Indian MNC. Okay. Tata Group. Okay. Let's assume, team, Tata Group purchased the product from Oracle Corporation, team. Okay. Oracle India Private Limited. Okay. Because they are the owners of Fusion applications, right? Let's say, team, Tata Group purchased the Fusion applications from Oracle India Private Limited, team. How the application will be delivered to them? Now, this is the client. This is the client or the customer company, team. Yesterday, I told you, right? Who is client or customer? Who is going to use the application, team? And this is the vendor company, team, who's selling the product. Okay. Now, team, Tata Group purchased the product from Oracle. They want to use this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud in their day-to-day business operations, team. So when Tata Group purchased the product from Oracle, how the Fusion applications will be delivered? In which format? It's a cloud-based product, team. Means a software that is hosted over the internet. If you want to access your Gmail, you have to run any software in your laptop, team? No. Just you will go to Google Chrome, type it as gmail.com. you will give user ID, password, and you can access your Google Gmail, right? Or Instagram you take. Just you can go to your browser, type Instagram, then you can log in with your credentials, application you can access. Similarly, Fusion applications are also cloud-based applications team. You don't need to install the application anywhere. You don't need to run the application anywhere. No server maintenance, no networking, no security, no upgradation, patching, maintenance will be taken care by the client or customer. Everything maintained by Oracle. They will pay the fee, subscribe to the application, and the application will be delivered to them just in the form of URL, web link. See, this is cloud applications team. So just if I go to any of my browser with good internet connection team, just I'm going here, just I'm passing that URL, enter. See, page is loading. Where it is coming team? Sign in, 1 second. It's auto saved in my system. That is why it's directly logged in. But usually it will prompt me to this page team. When I pass here, it will prompt me to sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. So did I install this anywhere? No. Just the URL I passed in the internet, it is prompting me to sign in. User ID and password team. So if I pass the user ID, my account details team, and if I click on sign in, okay, if I click on sign in, I could able to log in into the system. So this is the UI, user interface of Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team. The look and feel of the Fusion application. See, I can access, I can start using it team. That is what cloud-based deployment. So when any company, any customer buy the product from Oracle team, the application will be delivered just in the form of URL. We require user ID and password. Kumar, you logged in with some user ID and password. How we can have that user accounts, Kumar? That I will tell you. In tomorrow's session, we are going to start with that concept. We have here team something called security administration, right team? The very first concept in the training we are going to start from tomorrow will be that only. Like creation of access, user account creations and all we will be talking here team. Then you will understand, okay? So team, this is what the Fusion applications looks like team. This is a Fusion application looks like team. Now here, I want to introduce to you different naming conventions that we have to call because team, whenever you're working in the real-time projects, I know many of you will keep some experiences and you will try for your jobs, right? Fake experiences or something. During that time, you really didn't work in the company. You are portraying that you have experience of 3-4 years and you are joining the company. When you are interacting between the teams, when you are discussing with your colleagues, managers, clients team, you should follow some jargons. Jargons means terminologies team. You should not use the layman terminologies in the company. You have to act professionally. So what are the different names that we will refer the Fusion application, or we can rather call Fusion application? See, you want to ask your colleague in the company to share that client application details team. You should not tell that, can you give me that client URL to me? Or can you give me that client link to me? That looks very unprofessional team. So we have different naming conventions or the terminologies to refer the Fusion applications in our employment world when we are working in the company's team. What are they? Regular day-to-day usable English. You can call it as usually URL or web link. That is what we know. Okay. We can refer as URL or web link, but they are not the correct names to refer the Fusion application team. We can call the Fusion applications as environment, okay? Instance, environment, instance, server, okay? Okay. Then we have pod, or you can call it as a tenant, or you can call it as sandbox. We have different names to refer or call the Fusion applications team. You can call it as environment, instance, server, pod means platform on demand, tenant, sandbox, different names that we can call team. So when you are joining the company team, in between your teams, whenever you're discussing with your colleagues, you want to ask your colleague, one of your clients application access team, you can call like this: can you please give me that client environment access to me? Can you please give me the client instance access, server access, pod access, or can you please give me the tenant access of the client? Like that, we have to call the Fusion application. The names that we have to refer in our corporate world, the Fusion applications are these. Please don't use these words, team. URL, web link, very basic, layman, day-to-day usable English, team. Between the friends, okay. But in a company, we should be very professional. These are the different names that we have to call. Okay. One more thing I want to tell you here. Sometimes, team, in the real-time projects when you are working, particularly in the support projects, if you are mapped team, we have implementation support projects. I'll tell you what is that in our placement workshops. I will tell you, team. The real-time implementation means what, support means what. But team, in reality, whenever you are working in the company's team, particularly if you are working in the support projects, you might be working for multiple clients simultaneously, team. I have an experience even in the implementation when I was in Deloitte team. I was working for 3 projects simultaneously. Those days are literally very tough days for us. Like 3 projects, implementation projects, I was part of team. As a team lead, 3 projects simultaneously I worked on. There will be situations, team, not as a team lead, but even as a associate consultant or consultant also, sometimes you might be asked to work for multiple projects, team. During that time, how you can identify which client URL is what? I mean, which client environment is what? For example, team, you have 3 clients, team. Company A, company B, then company C. Okay, company C. For example, in your organization, you are working for 3 clients, team. Company A, company B, C, let's assume. How you can differentiate which client's URL is what, team? See, team, in every client's URL, okay, these 4 characters, whatever you're seeing, team, I have seen HTTP login / EUTH. If I go to my browser, team, FA EUTH, customer to customer, very important understanding, team. Okay, customer to customer, when Oracle selling their product, to differentiate the web link or the instance URL, team, these 4 characters Oracle will make unique. So these 4 characters, team, client to client, we will call them as pod number, POD number, team. Platform and demand number. Okay. So for one client, if it is EUTH, for another client, it will be team something like, okay, FGDR. Or for some other client team, it will be something like ERTG. So client to client, these 4, Kumar, these are in characters. You are telling pod number. Yes, team. Oracle designated it as pod number only. Okay. Though they are in character format. So see here EUTH, here FGDR, here ERTG. So instance to instance, URL to URL, company to company. These 4 characters will be deferred, team, the unique sequence, team. So when in the real-time projects we are working, though we are working for multiple projects, team, which client application is what? By looking at that 4 characters pod number, we have to identify. Bacha, okay, this is company A's, this is company B's, this is company C's application, like that, team. So in application to application, these 4 characters will be differed from company to company when Oracle selling their product in the real-time, team. That is important consideration. Then, team, within the environments, team, whenever you are in the projects, you will be hearing like production environment, test environment, development environment, pre-pod, QA. These are the different real-time terminologies that you will be hearing in the company's team. But that will be too early to discuss now. When a client buy the product from Oracle, how many applications client will get? One production, then one test by default they will get. Then if they want, they can subscribe additionally for development environment. But they are too early team. When we're talking about our implementation project team, I will tell you here. Okay. Like I have a separate slide I kept team somewhere. What are the different environments? What is development? What is test? What is production? Then when client license, how the welcome email will come. Then how the project implementation will start. How many team members we will have. How many will be in on-site. How many will be working remotely. How the communication channel. When we come to this team, I will tell you that part. How many environments client will have. In which environment we will start our work. What is dev, test, production, that all team. Just keep in mind, we have further more to discuss. But as of now, at this initial stage, I want everyone to be clear how the Fusion application will be accessible. Cloud-based deployment model, in which form application will be delivered to the clients by Oracle. And client to client, how you can identify the URL team, that is pod number differentiation team. So this I want everyone to be knowing. And what are the different names that we can refer Fusion applications in real-time team. And then team, once we log in into the system team, here we can talk about few things while we log in. So here team, while I pass this URL, system asking me to log in team, user ID and password. Here, like every other application team, when we logging in, okay, if you forgot your password team, like how your Gmail, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, you will reset team, forgot password button will be there. You can go here. Then while your account created team in the system, email will be provided. You can give that. Then if you forgot the username or you forgot the password, select submit. System will send to this email the password reset link, username link team. This is very self-explorable thing only. Like any other application, if you forgot your password or username, you can go here team. And then team, why I came to this slide is language option. See, Oracle is a global product that is not confined only to US market team. If you take Workday as an example, someone asking me yesterday about Workday, that is as of now confined mostly to US market team. But Oracle is not like that. It's a global product. Across the world, Oracle having customers team. So to give more regional experience to their customers in their own nativity. See, for example, if you take our father's team, okay, usually our fathers are very comfortable to use their mobile in their own native language. Okay, it is my father, they will use the mobile in Telugu. They will change the language team. They are comfortable because they know that language from childhood. They are comfortable using the product in that team. We have the options right in our mobile also. We can change the language, Telugu, Hindi, Kannada, right? In Fusion applications also team, multi-language supported application. Not that regionality, but countries wise team. If you come here, select language. So these are the languages that Oracle supports team as of now. Slowly, year by year, Oracle adding up the patches for languages team. So when we are using the Fusion application, when we logging in, if you choose the language team, for example, my client is from China, okay, China. So they want to use the application in Chinese team. They can select team. See, Chinese. Everything change it. See, all these things were changed to Chinese here. Or if my client want in, let's say Japanese or Korean. So like if client is from Korea, they want to use the application in Korean. They can select team. See, or if my client is from Middle East, let's say Arabic, they want to use Arabic. Change it team. So if I sign in team with that language selection, the entire application itself will come with that language. See, now I logged in, the entire application will be in Arabic. See, because Arabic will be from right to left, right? That is why everything moved from right to left. See, everything changed. So this is multi-language supported application team. Now let me sign out and let me sign out and let me log in team, because I'm a bit confused. Sorry, not here. See, 1 second. Let me sign out and let me sign in team. So now if you change the language here, you put it back to English, that will come to English team now. So this is something very important to team, like clients from different countries. If they're comfortable using the language in their own native team, then Oracle applications are always supported with that. But the thing is, team, this is only specific to your user. When you change the language, it will not impact others in the system. Okay. Only for your user account, the change will impact. Now I put in English and I'm signing in team. So this is the home screen of the Fusion applications team. This is the home screen. The look and feel of the Fusion applications looks like this. Okay. So we could able to see team, a welcome message. Good morning. Here is my username team. That my login username. Then we could able to see several functionalities team, different sections, sales, service, me, procurement, my client group. You have different sections team. Then under each section, we have different icons coming up team. Hiring, journeys, new person, person management. What are all these things team? See, when we log in, this entire section, what we are seeing here, we call it as springboard. What is that team? This entire section, we call it as springboard. And each section that what you are seeing, let's say team here, my client groups. If I keep my cursor here, team, my client group. Under that, I have hiring, journeys, new person, person management, different icons are there. We call each section, and if I click on this arrow team, it will drag towards the right. I have more options coming up team. Each section in the springboard, we call them as functional area. My client group is there, one functional area. Procurement, one functional area. Me, one functional area. Help desk, one functional area. Then under each, again under my client groups team, I have hiring, journeys, new person, person management. These each subsections, we call them as sub-functional area. My client group is a functional area. Okay. Under that, hiring is a sub-functional area team. This entire, what you are seeing here, this entire area where my cursor scrolling team, this entire area, we call it as springboard. Within that, each section, we call it as functional area. Under each section, whatever the options we have, we call it as sub-functional areas team. Then on the left-hand side, 3 lines are there. If I keep my cursor there, what is that team? That is navigator. So whatever we see in the springboard, here team, sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, all the options are arranged in the horizontal way. Correct? Here I have team. Same options I can see in the navigator in the vertical arrangement team. If I come here, see, bar open towards the right. Sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, help desk, whatever I'm seeing here, the same options here team. So if I expand here team, my client group, if I expand here, all sub-functional areas I can check here team. See, under my client group, hiring, journeys, new person, person spotlight, person management, same things team. See, under my client groups, whatever I'm seeing, hiring, journeys, new person. So team, you can access them from the springboard area or in the navigator area also you can pick up team. See, whatever that we see in the springboard in the horizontal way, we can see them here in the vertical way also team. So this is the main home screen look and feel of the Fusion applications team. And this is the UI of the Fusion application. When any customer buy the product from Oracle, the application will be delivered in the form of this. So today I planned for this team. In tomorrow's session, further, what are these icons once we log into the system? We will see team. And then we are going to start with our actual training team. The very first concept as part of the training I'm going to start will be security administration. Not only training team, when you go to the projects in the real time, the very first concept that we have to be known in the system or we will start in the system will be this security administration module team. So first we'll start with security, then core HR, absence, payroll, talent, like that we will go with the flow team. So tomorrow onwards team, I'm going to cover first 10-15 minutes, whatever the leftover home screen functionalities in the system, and then we'll start with our main concept security from tomorrow team. So as I told you, from tomorrow, please join by sharp 7 a.m. No further delay team. Session will start by 7 a.m. sharp. Please be very punctual to the sessions team. So any doubts in today's session, online people? Any doubts team?
I have a small doubt.
Yes, Balu.
Yeah, the thing is here, I went through this HCM, Fusion HCM yesterday through YouTube, some of your videos and everything. I
Okay.
have went through even Oracle Docs.
Mm-hmm.
So I can to process it will start first with recruiting HR like that. There is a certain flow. Are we going in the same flow?
That is the
Like first we
flow. Security first is the basis for anything. Without having the user account, how to log into the system is starting with the user account part. So first we will start with that. Then here the hirings and all will start. Core HR module, then absence, then payroll. In real-time projects, what is the pattern that we follow? The same approach we'll be following here.
Yeah, even I got confused in the same area.
Yeah,
Security, I can accept because first we need to log in and we need to have
correct.
some access to
Correct.
do the things.
Because see,
But
we are implementation team. When we go for the project, first of all, we should know who will create the user accounts for our team. Client will create or we have to create. How that will happen. From that, we have to start first of all.
yeah, that's the first thing. And after that, I got confused while saying I thought it will be first recruiting will start with the recruiting.
No.
That's the area I got a
Recruiting we don't
confusion.
have first of all in the curriculum. ORC is a separate program we have. We are not offering that. Even for ORC to implement, the basis is core HR module. If this is not implemented, no ORC can be configured. ORC will come later or after core HR. This is the fundamental module.
So we are not going to cover ORC. We are going to cover global HR. Can you go to
No
the
problem.
previous page
Are
one?
you not in the session yesterday?
I missed the last 10 minutes due to I was in traveling. I
We
missed
are
the
not
last 10 minutes.
talking. The curriculum that which we have mentioned, whatever highlighted in the bold here. Okay.
So HR, absence,
You can check it
payroll,
out,
talent,
or you can
and
discuss
compensation.
offline. Any questions for the team? Anyone a part
So
of this?
Kumar, do we have notes for today's class? I mean,
We'll share Pramod, yes. We have this.
okay, cool.
Today, actually, yesterday full the drive happened for enrollments and we came to clarity of people list and all. Today we will be added to the community. After adding, by today end of the day, you will get the first set of material to you. So yesterday,
And
today
access
what we
also, right?
discussed and for next 20 days what we are going to discuss. First document will be shared to you today. Okay.
Kumar, I have another question. From tomorrow onwards, the course, I mean, the class would be end by 8 o'clock,
8
or
o'clock. See, 7 to 8, I will take the session. Whoever having the doubts, probably 10 minutes I can discuss after that. But my session will be 7 to 8. I
okay,
know that you told some office something is there, right? You mentioned
right,
some.
right. My office timings are like 8 to 6. So
Yeah, yeah, no problem. We'll make it. That's why I'm telling. By sharp, if you join by 7, every one of you, by 8 o'clock, I can conclude the session. Okay.
okay,
Well,
sir.
team, then we'll conclude here for today. So I request everyone, whoever yet to enroll, maximum people enroll, hardly 3, 4, Krishna, or some people I can see who are yet to enroll, but we have shared the meeting link. Please confirm the enrollment today. From tomorrow, we will not be sharing the meeting link to any one of you. Only enrolled people will add it into the WhatsApp community today. Separate link will be given to them from today team. So thank you everyone for attending the session. Please complete the enrollments. Today will be the last day for the enrollments to complete team. Thank you everyone. We'll join back tomorrow.